this. The trial is now underway for a Prince George's County police officer facing assault and other charges. Donald Taylor is accused of hitting a 19-year-old with his gun and then lying about it.
This all happened back in February of 2012. The police officer claimed that Ryan Dorm turned on him, assaulted him, and tried to take his gun, and that's when the gun went off. But the video footage shows that didn't happen, and the officer lied to cover it up.
But Officer Taylor's attorney, Bob Bonsib, has a different take on what happened, telling the court Ryan Dorm was running from police that night, and the officer had no idea if he was armed or not.
This officer was chasing an individual who was suspected of casing a location for an armed robbery, had assaulted a police officer who was knocked to the ground prior to this chase. The chase was through dark neighborhoods. This individual turned on the officer, and the officer struck him one time with his hand. He had his gun out, but he didn't fire it. He didn't hit him with the gun. He hit him with his hand, and it happened to have the gun in it. The gun accidentally discharged. This has been blown way out of proportion.
During his testimony, Ryan Dorm denied knocking an officer to the ground prior to the chase, beginning outside this Brentwood gas station, but admitted telling two different stories, one to police and one to Fox 5. The Fox 5 clip was played in court by the defense.
I thought I was going to be shot.
Did you think these guys were robbers or what?
I didn't know what he was.
Did they ever say, we're police?
He never said nothing to me. Even to the point of putting the handcuffs on me, he never said nothing to me.
But on the stand today, Dorm admitted running from the police and telling investigators he blacked out after being hit and never heard a gunshot.
There is no jury in this case. It's a bench trial. The judge will make a decision on this officer's guilt or whether or not he'd be acquitted. Two other notes. Ryan Dorm was in the custody of the sheriff because he's been indicted on a rape charge in Montgomery County. That indictment coming back down in early March. He also filed a civil suit. We understand that that civil suit has been settled here in Prince George's County. Will.
Paul Wagner in Upper Marlboro.